means that it looks nice and that you've taken your time and that it's a high quality. Now, if I was to just to do a little bit of orange here and there, and then I get bored and I go put this orange away, I might have a hard time finding the same orange. And it might be a little bit different than the other orange. Okay? So if I'm going to be using a color, I want to make sure to color it completely because I don't want to come back and have an orange that's a different color orange. You can see here on this one, I've taken my time to color each one of these in a nice pattern. Pattern is one of our words that we're going to be learning. It is one of our principles of design. And so this is a pattern that is a red, orange, red, orange, red, orange pattern. And so we want to have a nice pattern of different colors on our turkey. It might be red, orange, blue, red, orange, blue, red, orange, blue, red, orange, blue, but I do want to see a pattern. Like I was saying though, I want to make sure that it's completely colored before I put this color away because I might not be able to find that color again. This here is not completely colored. We've got to make sure that every bit of it is completely colored before we put our color away. So I don't want to stop just right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. I can see that this still has white space. Even this one still has white space. I'm going to color small. I am going to color in all of the white space, going back and forth, taking my time, staying in this section. I don't want to be wild and get over to the next section. We want it to have a high quality coloring. Quality means that you're taking your time and making it look nice. A good artist will spend a lot of time on an artwork. Sometimes an artist will take days or even years sometimes creating an artwork. And so keep that in mind when we're creating our artwork. So here's my orange, and I'm going to think about where I want to use this. So I've used it here, but I'm going to use it on the other eye as well. But I don't want to stop there because I can see that there's still some white space there on the eye and down here as well. So don't put your color away until it's completely colored and that it looks nice. We also want to color in everything. We see on our turkey that there's even some grass down here. And I'm going to be coloring in that grass. And I want to color softly to start with. And then go around here. I'm also going to stop right here at the bottom so that it all stops at the same point. We want to color in all of our turkey without scribbling and without making it look sloppy. Don't forget that this part is a leg and this part is a leg, so I don't want to color that green. You've got to concentrate and think about where you're putting your colors. You want it to look nice. Okay, so today, focus on the quality of your artwork. Good.